We know that fire results from the combustion of organic material and oxygen, but don't you still sometimes wonder what fire is? Why are gas flames blue and wood fire orange? And why do flames move in such a mesmerizing way? Chemistry may tell us the recipe for combustion, but the light show is all physics. When a flame burns cleanly, like a gas flame, blowtorch, or the base of a candle, the heat excites the molecules to release light, usually pale blue, from atomic transitions. That's quantum mechanics. Now, when the fuel isn't as pure and doesn't entirely burn, like wood fire, coal fire, or the top of a candle flame, there's still some blue light, but you don't see it because it's overpowered by light from all the particles of soot and smoke. They're glowing red hot. And the reason flames are shaped like tongues snaking skywards? Gravity. The Earth's pull is what makes hot air rise, and this convection shapes flames into their familiar form. If you light a match in zero gravity, the flame spreads outwards like a balloon. There's nothing to tell it which way to go, so it goes in all directions.
Let's take a look at that equation. So,
What we got here, we got 3 C's, 6 H's, and 2 O's on that first side, and then 1 C, 2 H's, and then we got split O's. We got 2 and 1 gives us 3 O's. Okay? All right, let's start with the C's. So we got 3 C's. We're going to put a 3 right here. Okay? Then we got to update our O's. We got 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay? All right, now our H's. We got 6 on this side. Let's put a 3 right here. 3 times 2 is 6. Now we got 3 O's right there. And then 3 times 2 is 6 right there. 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay? Now, here's where it gets a little funky, right? What times 2 gives us 9? 4.5. Okay? Here's the issue. You can't have half of an O2 molecule. It just doesn't work. Well, to get rid of a half, you multiply everything by 2. We're going to multiply all the coefficients in this problem by 2. So there's a 1 here. So that'll be 2. 4.5 times 2 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6. And 3 times 2 again is 6. Now we're going to go back and make sure it all worked out. So on carbon, we got 2 times 3. Sorry, son came asking me a question. All right, here we got carbon. 2 times 3 is 6. Hydrogen, 2 times 6 is 12. Oxygen, 9 times 2 is 18. Okay, this side we got 6 carbons. Then we got 6 times 2, 12. All right, then we got 6 times 2, 12 hydrogens. And then that's 6 oxygen. 6 plus 12 is 18. Okay, so it all works out. Okay, so anytime you approach one and you have one where it's uneven, go back and multiply everything by 2. It'll get rid of that 0.5, and it'll all work out.